Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One to Step. Today in this video let's learn about how to hide your online status in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first let's go to WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this three dots icon in the top right corner. So let's tap on this and click on settings. If you scroll down, you can see privacy over here. So let's tap on this and last seen and online is written over here, so let's tap on this one. Now so here we need to tap on nobody first in who can see my last seen, and we need to click on same as last seen over here in who can see me when I'm online. So now you can get back, and this is all you need to do to hide your online status in WhatsApp. So that's all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.